We are Gohil & Sons Wedding Cars Limited. I'm Danny Gohil.
And I'm Jessel Gohil.
We are a family-run chauffeured wedding car business. We provide a unique service which is tailored for each individual client. We have 2 matching classic vintage Beaufort cars in English cream and the latest Mercedes-Benz E-Class in diamond white. We provide transportation from your home to your wedding venue and thereafter to your wedding reception venue. We also allow time for photos with your family and friends, and most importantly for yourselves. Our chauffeurs come in a full uniform with a peak cap and gloves. Your cars will be dressed with white or ivory ribbons and bows, and decorated with silk flowers across the back shelf and roof bars. We promise to provide a professional service for you and your family. We insist that you come and meet us to view the cars before booking, so that you are 100% happy.